Ever seen a cow get a spa day? Forget cucumbers on the eyes. These ladies prefer a good old-fashioned brushing massage. Stick around, because these cows are about to live better than most of us on a Friday night. Number 3, the side scratch superstar. Number 2, the head rub hero. Lastly, the full body Zen master. So next time you think your life is stressful, remember, somewhere in the world, a cow is getting a brushing massage and absolutely thriving. Like, share, and follow for more moments that prove animals are living their best lives while we are still figuring out our passwords.